Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. First create a duplicate layer, CTR plus J, CMD plus J. Then change the layer name. Go to Filter, click to convert Smart Object. And OK. Again go to Filter, open Camera Raw Filter. Open the color panel. After select the white balance tool. Drag and make a selection clear white balance. And after open light panel. Highlight -70. Shadows +10. White -9. Black -7. Contrast +21. And open color mixer. Saturation -6. Click to luminance. Oranges +5. Open the hue saturation. After select the yellows, click to clipping mask button here. Saturation -13. Lightness -1. Click to open levels. Follow the step-by-step adjustment levels. Select the both layer and create group layer and change layer name. Check the before and after. Looks like you must have liked this video very much. Keep loving my channel like this. I will keep bring good tutorial for you. Subscribe my channel, like, share, and comments. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get access to upcoming video.